We've all been stuck at a red light, but this driver took things to a whole new level to save a few seconds.
What? He's gone up that side?
What? What a moron!
Good grief.
Who does he think he is?
This shocking clip, sent in by a viewer, shows a driver pulling into the wrong lane, crossing into oncoming traffic just to skip a red light at a busy intersection. It's a dangerous move that puts everyone on the road at risk. Want to win one of these? That's right, we're giving away a Vantrue N4 Pro Dashcam. This powerhouse has your back with incredible front, interior, rear recording. We've put it through its paces in our full review. Everything you need to know. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is watch our Vantrue N4 Pro review video and leave a comment telling us what you love most about it or why you need one. This is open to UK residents only, and the closing date is the October 15th, 2025. Don't miss out. Link to the review video is in the description. Good luck!